Hi developers, in this video we will learn about methods in JavaScript. So a method is a function that is a property of an object, and methods are defined within objects or classes. So let's discuss methods with some basic example. Okay, const car brand. Here car is an object having some properties like brand. Here start is a method inside the car object. We will do console. We will print brand name, this dot brand. It's starting. Okay. Car dot start. So here start is a method inside the car object. If we scroll over the start, we can see it is written method. So start is a method inside car object, and it accesses the brand property. This is the brand property using this dot brand. Okay, and it will print Ford is starting. Okay, so this dot brand will be converted into the Ford because it is accessing brand inside this object. So Ford is starting. So the keyword this refers to the car object itself. Okay, allow us to use the properties. Okay, so we can check the output in console also. To check the output, we need to write the file name. So the output will be Ford is starting. Okay, this one. Okay, so there are some methods in JavaScript like string methods, string method, which is toUpperCase. It will convert all the characters in uppercase. We can see it with some basic example. Meanwhile, we can comment this code. Okay. Let text is say hello. Console text dot to uppercase. Okay. So can you guess what will be the output here? The output will be hello. We can check this output in console. So here output will be in uppercase characters. Similarly, we have two lowercase. Okay. To convert all the characters in lowercase. Okay. Similarly, we have array methods. Array methods. Meanwhile, we can comment this code. So what are the array methods? These are push, pop, push method, pop method. Okay. So let's see an example of push. Consider an array of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here we will add one number at the end of the array. So numbers dot push 5. 5 will add into the end of the array. Now we will do console, print the array. Okay, so guys, can you guess the output here in this case? Output will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is the output. So this push method has added 5 at the end of the numbers array. Okay, so this is useful when we need to add items without manually changing the array's length. Okay, so similarly we have chaining methods. So what are chaining method? To apply method after some method. Okay, we will see it with some basic example. Let text is equals to JavaScript. Okay, so do console text.trim. So trim will firstly remove the white space, some extra space before the text. Then after removing the text, we need to make it in uppercase, to uppercase. Okay, so let's check the output in console. Output will be JavaScript. Okay, firstly it removed the extra space using trim, then it converted all the text in the uppercase. Okay, so this is the concept of methods in JavaScript.